The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buchanan County in northeastern Iowa, northwestern Johnson County in east-central Iowa, eastern Benton County in east-central Iowa, southwestern Delaware County in northeastern Iowa, Lynn County in east-central Iowa, eastern Iowa County in east-central Iowa, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rogers Park to near Windham, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar Rapids, Independence, Vinton, Marion, North Liberty, Hiawatha, Robbins, Jessup, Center Point, Fairfax, Tiffin, Easterly, Atkins, Walford, Urbana, Central City, Fairbank, Springville, Palo, and Schellsburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 225 and 236. Interstate 380 between mile markers 5 and 55. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern, northeastern, and east-central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Buchanan and Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning remains